In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, select Close. And when I go back, as you can see, location of my Samsung is off. But you can always switch it on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!